How's it going today, guys? Coyote here, and today me and my dad, we're going to go to Helen and get some hot wings from Big Daddy's. We're going to sit on the mopeds here and thing, and we're going to take a detour and go through Trey Mountain. It's kind of a just a dirt road thing where we can go take some scenery in and thing, and maybe shoot some good footage for y'all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Ready to rock and roll? Alright guys, just got some gas. On the road we go. I hope everyone's doing good today. Tell me down in the comments if anybody went out and did anything adventurous this past weekend, because I would like to know. Or if they're going to do anything this weekend. I mean, tell me your plans, tell me what you're going to do. I'd really like to know. Tell me what your hobbies are. I'm so glad to be going out and about and going to get something to eat. It's been such a long week. Yesterday was a horrible day. Okay, so get this, alright, while we're traveling down the road. My bad morning started all around my hash browns. Oh, you're laughing, aren't you? Oh, you think that's funny? No. I got the hash browns hung in my dang throat. So, I tried to drink some milk behind it, you know. And after I got me a big mouthful of milk, I coughed. The hash browns and the milk went up my nose, and I just spit it everywhere. Like, I didn't spit it, my nose spit it everywhere. I blew it everywhere, all over the place, and it really made me mad. And then I was late. I had 10 minutes to get to work or whatever, so I start flying down the road and everything, you know. And but this truck pulls right out in front of me, right out in front of me. Insert clip here. After he pulled out in front of me, that made me mad, but I got over it. As soon as I passed him, I was over it. Seriously, I was. I went on, and this other woman pulled out in front of me. So then that truck that pulled out in front of me came up behind me and blew his horn at me like everything was my fault and everything, as he was blocking the whole road and everything, you know. I flicked him off, and then he flicked me off back, but now I know where he lives. From that point on, everything that night at work with my machine just went wrong. It was horrible. So I'm ready to go get me some wings, a beer, and I'm going to enjoy the night. Oh, look at that up there. Are they hang gliding or something like that? Oh, you can't see. They are. You know how scary that would be? I'd do it though. YOLO. Screw up. That's it. You only get one chance. This ain't like Mario where you have like 3 lives and you die. That's it. Done. Popo. Hey, the good thing is they're in front of me and not behind me. Y'all should go check out the game American Fugitive. It just came out. That game is awesome. There we are. Trey Mountain. I'm probably going to put my GoPro on the side of my helmet now so I can open up my visor through here. Bike almost tried to wash out right there. And mind let me reminder you of this, okay? I have street tires, okay? Make sure you remember that, okay? La-di-da, la-di-da-da-da. Da 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 da. Oh, my stomach is growling because I'm so hungry. Oh God! I got attacked by a pterodactyl. Campers in there. I can smell marshmallows. You smell those marshmallows? Oh my gosh, my bike's sputtering. My bike needs an exhaust, the 3x3 mod, and at least a jet kit. We gotta get that power to the rear wheels back there. We might as well drop in a big old V8 on it. My gosh, I tell you what, son. Yeehaw! We're not doing that. That's a big old ditch. It's probably about 2 foot down, I guess. think I just ran over a butterfly. No, I didn't mean to. Yep, here's a turnaround spot up here. You still good?
Yeah.
It's taking a lot longer than I thought it would. I guess I didn't account the ride over here, I guess. It left pretty late. We left around like 5 though. Yeah! Oh man, this is awesome! Best time ever! Alright guys, up here is where I went camping at. It's a really awesome spot. Way up here in the mountains, or on top of the mountain. Right here. This is the best spot in the house. Oh look, this is specifically designed for my Jeep. I'm not sure that was their intention. I mean, my Jeep would walk all over that probably. Unless that mud hole was like 67 foot deep and then I'd probably die and drown. Because I'd be like a captain and I'd go down with my ship. I wouldn't leave my Jeep behind. I wonder if you can see my big nose in the camera. I got a big nose. I could probably park a truck in it. Let's go up the hill climb. I'm just joking, I'm not doing that. There's the waterfall. Isn't that cool? I mean, I think it's neat because it runs down those rocks. Alright guys, we have officially made it through Trey Mountain. It is 7:17. We left the house at like 5 o'clock roughly. That's still a pretty good ways. Alrighty, I got my GoPro back in the other position. I'm gonna pull out here and continue our way to Big Daddy's to go get some wings. I smell hot dogs. That smells good. I'm excited. Like, I'm getting hyper now because I want food. Oh, and a shout out to my buddy Clayton. Check that out. That's awesome. Gotcha. Alright guys, welcome to Helen. Or don't wave. You ain't even looking at me. So you look at my fellow bikers. Don't stop for pedestrians. Okay, gotcha. Weave in and out between them. Got some bands playing over there. Everybody's out and about. was gonna suggest to you, you should go on YouTube and check out my channel on there. I do some moto vlogs and stuff like that. Yeah, yeah, I got GoPro going. It's Wile E. Coyote. I'm about to change my name though. It's about to be just Coyote. That way I can put it on my bike and it's easier.
Right. Yeah, sure, man.
Your name's Josh.
Frank. Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you, man. Yeah, dude. If you ever get it back, you should like leave a comment or something like that, and then hit me up or something. You know.
We'll ride.
Oh, dude, we'll go everywhere. Yeah. All right, guys, check it out. Jalapeno, raspberry jalapeno hot wings. Rock and roll. So, two kids came up to me, a little girl, and she seen the GoPro on my helmet, and she asked me if I had a YouTube channel or if I just recorded stuff, whatever. I was like, no, I have a YouTube channel. Dude, she's totally just subscribed to me right there on the spot. And another little kid, he's a little boy, he came up to me and he's like, yo man, he's like, are you Wile E. Coyote? I'm like, yeah, I am, you know, and he's like, man, I'm subscribed to you. Oh, that was awesome. That's the coolest thing ever. Then I met a guy out in the parking lot. His name's Frank, and I'm going to do a shout out to him, whatever. So I hope he watches this video because he subscribed to me tonight. He used to be a motorcycle rider. He loved my DRZ. So I told him whatever, that if he got a DRZ to hit me up in the comments, man, we'll go do some riding together and everything. We'll do some moto vlogging. So Frank, if you're listening out there, man, dude, I hope you get it back, man. That was the coolest thing, man. I really appreciate that. That feeling, the feeling that I got whenever people were coming up to me and asking me if I was so-and-so, that's the best feeling ever. People that are wanting to subscribe to me, that makes me feel so good. I mean, that's just the awesomest thing ever. There's a pony and a dog. If I can get to 25 subscribers, I'm going to do like a special video or something, and I'm going to try, I'll get better as it comes. You know, I've never done this before, so I figured I could do a special video and do like a bunch of wheelies, like nose wheelies or something, and just like little stunts, and just try different camera angles, you know, and put my tripod out and things so I can catch me going by. And I just figured I'd do a kind of a special video like that, whatever, because it requires a lot more preparing, you know. So if I can get to 25 subscribers, I will definitely do that. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. I've had a wonderful day myself. Please go out and do something adventurous, you know. Even if you're those kids, you know, if those kids are listening to me right now, I want to shout out to your thing and thank you for subscribing to me. Frank, I want to thank you for subscribing to me. Y'all all go out and do something adventurous. Go do something fun that you don't think you would ever do before. I encourage you to do that. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Peace.